tips before bringing a pet. 6 pets to buy for your child other than dogs and cats. Many mothers seek to teach their children compassion and kindness to animals by buying a pet to raise it at home. But before acquiring a pet for the child, some tips must be taken into account before bringing the pet into the house. Many of us are excited about new ideas, especially children, but what we must do is think seriously about raising this organism according to the following. 1. Ensure that none of the family members is allergic to pets. To obtain the consent of all family members before taking this step. 3. Ensure that the place is suitable in terms of space and security so that your new guest is not exposed to any harm. 4. Estimating the extent of the responsibility with regard to the availability of time and the ability to make the necessary effort to care for the pet. 5. Remember the need to follow up with a veterinarian periodically to maintain the health of the animal and your health as well. Now we offer you a list of 6 unconventional pets that you can buy for your child at home, according to the Family Circle website. One. Parrot. Parrot is one of the most important birds that you can buy for your child to raise at home. As he has sharp intelligence and very entertaining his owner, he also plays with your children and imitates them, and you must keep him in a large cage, so that he feels more freedom. 2. The turtle. One of the reptiles that children love, as it is like the rest of the pets that teach children patience and kindness to animals. It suits them, as they provide foods to them such as lettuce. 3. Ducks. One of the birds that children accept and love very much, and it is better that you raise ducks on the roofs of houses. 3. Ducks. So be sure to buy a number of ducks, because they like to live in groups. 4. Hens or chicks. You can buy chicks for your children so that they can raise and take care of them. 5. They also give her grain until she grows up and becomes chicken. 5. Fish. Fish is a great way to teach your children to care for animals, as fish need to clean the tank in which they are placed. And serving its food on specific dates, which is an opportunity to teach your children to take care of it like pets. 6. Rabbits. Rabbits need their own care, as they sleep for long hours during the day. It should be allowed to explore its surroundings and jump, so that it does not feel restricted. This is what your children learn about how to deal with it. This is how our advice to you before owning any pet was. Also view a list of pets we recommend for children. Today's video has ended. We hope you like it. If you like the video, support us with like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, you guys.